In today's video, I show you how to update your Slack email address quickly, which takes just a few minutes. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app. Then select the workspace where you want to update your email. If you haven't installed the app, using Slack in your browser works perfectly. Next, click your name in the bottom left corner and select Preferences. This opens your account settings. Scroll to the Notifications tab and find Set Email Notifications. Then click Change Address. You will be prompted to enter your current password for security. After that, type your new email address carefully and click Update Email. Finally, check your new inbox for Slack's confirmation email. Click the verification link inside to finalize the change. And that's it. Your Slack email is now updated, keeping your account connected and up to date.